again. Welcome to Olympic National Park in Washington, United States. We have been on the road for about 2 hours now, finally made our way into the national park, got some coffees, and we are very happy, very excited to be moving again, back in nature again. The air is feeling a lot clearer and a lot better, a lot more healthy to breathe. So all in all, we're just very excited to be back in action again. First stop of the day is a place called Brook Falls just outside of Brennan, and apparently it's a really short hike, like 0.3 miles, so should be pretty easy from this point on. And Quinn has been here before. Quinn's actually done this whole loop before with her family about 6 years ago, so she knows a lot more about this area than I do. She knows what to expect, and I'm with you guys on this one where I'm seeing everything for the first time. That was literally like a 2-minute walk from the car park, maybe 3, and we have made it to these amazing waterfalls. Wow. So we have a little bit of a dilemma. This is such a beautiful place, and we really want to swim, but it's also cold because there's no sunlight coming through. Like if it was clear blue skies, I think we would definitely swim, but the problem is if we go in this water and stand out, it's going to be super cold. Also, the water isn't the warmest to start with, so we're debating. What are your thoughts, Kun?
I think I have more of a dilemma than you do, because I'm like, I was here 6 years ago and I swam in it, and I want to do it again to re-cleanse myself, because it was a very no, seriously, it was such a experience being under the power of the waterfall, and it was such a fun time. So I feel like I should honor it and do it again, but it's so fucking cold, and I know that I'm gonna be in the car
Yep.
But I'm also
Well, we'll keep you updated. So when Quinn was here 6 years ago, she stood on that little bowl over there, I guess you could call it, and had the waterfall drip down on her, and I think that would be really cool, but super cold. You doing it?
Yeah, fuck it.
Okay.
You're doing it with me.
I'm wearing pants.
You have pants on underneath them.
I've been ordered to go fetch towels and my bathing suit so that we can swim. Oh, I bet I'm gonna hate myself, but also love myself. I don't want to do it, but I also don't want to have regrets. So this is a conundrum. Also, on another note, I was replying to some comments on the way here, and I just wanted to thank you guys so much for being so supportive of these vlogs. Thanks for commenting down, being a part of the community. Obviously, I want to try and comment back and do what I can, when I have service, upload as much as I can. Obviously, it's difficult to do so while on the road and you're losing service, don't have Wi-Fi, all those kind of things, but I just want you to know that I appreciate your time, I appreciate you watching this and supporting the journey, and yeah, just getting to experience life with Kun and I. I also think it's really cool that I'm keeping these super natural and real and raw, and I'm not putting, I am putting a lot of effort into the editing, but not as much as I would so on Visual Rev, and that's one of the reasons why I wanted to split the 2 channels and do it here, is because I keep that channel up to a very high standard of quality, and I just didn't want to put that pressure on myself while traveling as well. So it's nice to just relax a bit more in terms of the video making process. I am doing cinematics as well, not putting as many of them into the vlog because it does take extra effort to make those happen and make it look pretty. So as you've been seeing, most of the stuff is just shot on my phone. And then I'll probably do a whole cinematic video on Visual Rev once this whole trip is done and I have time to sit down and edit. But yeah, I like that it's real and raw and just run and gun kind of vlogs. It reminds me of the old days of how travel and vlogging used to be, and also the reason I started doing YouTube in the first place. So I'm really enjoying it. I hope you guys are too. If you are, please leave a like and subscribe and all those kind of things. Not that I really care at all either. Like I said countless times, I'm not doing this for the likes and follows, literally just to document. So thanks for sticking around. In other news, we made it to the car. We got the goods. Can't believe we're doing this. It's gonna be so cold. Woo! That's cold. I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. It's so cold. Go, dive in. How is it?
My tummy.
How is it?
That is so cool. Like ice water. So awesome.
Okay, I guess it's my turn now.
Go ahead. Your turn. Right there. You gotta lean back. Coldest water ever.
Definitely won't have regrets now. It was super cold getting in, but once we were in, it actually surprisingly wasn't that bad. So thanks, Gun. Would recommend swimming here, but probably only in summer. In winter I can't even imagine. We got our campsite, and look how beautiful this is. Like all of these trees, we got some other people around us as well, so that's cool. But like, wow, this is probably like the prettiest campsite that we've stayed in. Well, we'll stay in, but we've just left our chairs here for tonight. Just to claim the campsite, because we're gonna go back into town and get some burgers and beers and just go hang out at the bar there, because there's still like 3 or 4 hours of daylight, so we thought we might as well just go chill and like experience the town. By the way, we are like 15 minutes outside of Port Angeles, for any of you wondering. But yeah, this is our campsite. We're probably gonna pull Tantor in this way so we can unfold the rooftop tent over here, and this is it.
Take a picture of
it. Cheers! So we found this cool little bar on the internet. What is it called again? Next Door Gastro Pub. And we really felt like a burger and some beer, so that is exactly what we're getting, and that's exactly what this place is. And it's really cool. And I got I like really dark beers and like stouts, and they have this one here called Aloha Death, which sounds terrible, but it is a dark smooth ale brewed with coconuts, which I've never heard of before. And of course you take it as I'm about to taste it, and we'll give this a taste.
Wow.
That's so interesting.
It tastes like summertime.
It tastes like coconut in a beer, which is the weirdest thing, but it's really good. So this is the place. Not bad, not bad. Very nice. This is my date for the night. Her name is Kun. She got the Mirror Pond one. And yeah, this is how the night is looking. Oh, the quality of this video is so terrible right now. It looks like a potato, but this is looking amazing. I am so ready to eat right now.
Yummy.
Yum.
Look how yummy. Lover. And I don't want to lose that.
And we are back at the campsite, just set up the rooftop tents as well, so really ready for sleep right now. It's probably like 9:30, so it's not even that late, but after traveling for long days, 9:30 seems super late. So I'm ready for sleep, needless to say. So in saying that, I'm going to end the vlog right here. But thank you so much for watching. That dinner was so amazing. The drinks were amazing. And even though we didn't plan it, that kind of turned into like a little date night for Quinn and I. So that was really nice as well. Just, we had the best talks and it was so nice to, it felt like almost disconnect the road trip from that dinner. So that was really good. So I enjoyed the night. And I hope you enjoyed the day. There will be really cool hikes coming tomorrow. We are literally camping like 15 minutes away from one of the coolest hikes in Olympic National Park. So I'll see you then. Thanks so much for watching.
I peed on my shoe. Shit.
I don't know if you guys heard that, but on that note, we're gonna end this here. Remember to get out there, make it happen. I'll see you tomorrow.